Backup camera gone dark? Don't panic, we've got you covered. First things first, check if your display is just turned off. Press the power button on your infotainment system and see if it comes back to life. Next, inspect the camera lens at the back of your car. Sometimes dirt or debris can block the view. Give it a gentle clean with a soft cloth. Still not working? Pop the hood and locate the fuse box. Check the fuse for the backup camera system. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. If the camera is still not cooperating, it's time to check the wiring. Look for any obvious signs of wear or damage to the cables connecting your backup camera. If you spot any issues, you might need to get those wires professionally repaired. Lastly, consider a system reset. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions on resetting your infotainment system. This could resolve any software glitches causing the problem. And remember, if you're ever in doubt, it's always a good idea to visit your local Honda dealership for expert help. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and tricks.